The biggest takeaways is making sure that they found their place of belonging, where they can identify these clans and kind of residuate inside of themselves. So they have that sense of belonging, that sense of hope, because a lot of them also need to find roots in between their own family themselves. Just finding that connection that maybe there's an absence of. That's the takeaway that I want. We have to work with our Martin clans to kind of explain those kinds of things, that adoption ceremony, the adoption process. And when we incorporate that inside of Anishinaabe and actually do it, we'll actually unite that entire clan, because each one of those sub-clans that are there, they actually have a valuable teaching in itself that incorporated inside of that clan teaching, inside of that adoption teaching, inside of the entire ceremony itself. That way that they have a better understanding of what the Martin clan really is and how the adoption actually works. When we want to adopt Chinook-Nagewin, when we want to adopt Maka-Nagewin, this is about understanding who you really are and where you really belong in this system. Anishinaabe people don't belong in the westernized world because we're finding all these different barriers that are there.